After months of waiting, everyone over the age of 16 is now eligible to get a COVID-19 vaccine in West Michigan. The West Michigan Vaccine Clinic announcing this afternoon that they would be doing away with phasing.
News 8's Whitney Burney joins us now with why the hospitals are doing this a week ahead of schedule. Whitney?
Well, Brian and Sue, the hospitals here in West Michigan say that the people that they're seeing into their facilities now are much younger than the people they saw during a surge just a few weeks ago. They think that the only real way out of this is to get more people that vaccine. Now, Spectrum Health, specifically here in Grand Rapids, says that the number of people in their ICU has doubled in the last 4 days, and things are beginning to look a lot like they did last fall. They say their positivity rate over the last 7 days was just shy of 13%, a number that should be somewhere around 3%. There are currently 139 people being treated for COVID at their facilities, almost triple the average from a few weeks ago. They say what's most concerning again, though, is the age of the people coming into their hospitals, much younger. Spectrum says this shows that the vaccine is working for the older populations that have already gotten it. Now they want to see those same results for younger people.
So our goal is to put as many shots in arms as possible. Our goal is also to care for all of those coming into our hospitals, and we definitely hope we don't see a surge like we did before, but it's feeling that way.
The appointment portal at Spectrum Health or for the West Michigan Vaccine Clinic is currently open. You can find that on Spectrum's website. If you're having trouble, you can also head to woodtv.com for some help. Spectrum does say that they are expecting a new problem over the next few weeks, and that would be having an influx of doses and not enough people to take them. Live here in Grand Rapids, Whitney Burney, News 8.
Whitney, thank you. As the vaccine rollout expands, let's get a look at the current COVID numbers in our state. 48 more deaths were reported today in Michigan. 20 of them were found in a routine records check. Case numbers continue on the sharp upward trend. More than 5,100 were reported today. We're already averaging more cases per day than last week. And the rate of positive testing also continues to climb, now at 15.4%.
Spectrum Health addressing the surge in cases and hospitalizations that we're seeing in West Michigan today. And News 8's Emily Leonard listened in on that virtual update. Emily.
Well, there was a lot of comparing the surge that we're seeing right now to the surge that took place back in the fall. But Spectrum officials say the people they're seeing this time around are younger. They say in the past 2 weeks, they've seen the number of people hospitalized with COVID nearly triple. The average age of patients last fall was 73. The average age now has dropped to 60.
One thing we were hoping would be a bit delayed was ICU status, or more people needing ICU level care. And unfortunately, over the last 4 to 5 days, we've now seen a jump up in our ICU census of COVID patients.
Dr. Almucci pointed out that testing numbers and positive cases may go down over the next 2 weeks, but he warned us not to be fooled by that. It will be because many people are traveling for spring break and not in West Michigan.